They're trying to shoot down angels. They're trying to pull their wings off so they can fly. But oh, but she's so brave though, just like a tornado. She's taking us by storm.